Money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl.
So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with a ponytail hair review. Now this is a synthetic ponytail. As y'all can see, it is curly and it is a 1B30. It is really cute. Like, I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I like it, but it is really cute. Now I did get this ponytail from AISI Beauty. You guys know I have been working with them a lot lately. They reached out to me a while back and asked me to review their ponytail. So this is the ponytail that I am going to be giving you guys details and all that stuff. So make sure you check the description box below for the link in case you are interested in purchasing this ponytail. But let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? East and Southeast. Gotta cop into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with Mac 11s. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I fly her to Calabasas. We get nasty, I'm her daddy. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with fake asses. Bitch, turn up. I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunning it. Walk down, we ain't butting it. King up this truck, Columbia. Can't come here without a permit. This shit really a jungle. Relax and the gun.
Money all around me, I look like I'm a man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring.
Now, as you guys saw from the previous clip, I did show you guys how the ponytail looks as far as the inside. The ponytail does have two combs and it does have a drawstring. Now, they have a comb in the front, a comb in the back. So all you have to do is take the combs and push them into your hair, and then you take the drawstring and tighten the ponytail as tight as you want it. So again, this is from AISI Beauty on Amazon. This is their curly synthetic drawstring ponytail. My bad, I told y'all the wrong color. The color that I actually got is a 1B/33. Now they do have other colors. They have a 1B for blonde, burgundy, T130, T1B27, T1B/35/55, and T1B/burgundy. Now, this does retail for $13.99, so y'all know, a really cheap synthetic ponytail. But as y'all can see, like this, I feel like this is definitely worth the buy, especially at $13.99. Definitely worth the buy. It says that I ordered 1B/33. So I'm really not too sure. To me, it looks like a 1B30, but you know, whatever it is, I wanted to get one that's close to my hair color right now. So either way, it is fine. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So again, if you are interested in purchasing this ponytail, I will leave the link down below. I did state that they have other colors, so this is not the only color that they have. So if you want a blonde one, go ahead and get you one. Now I did notice, based off the color, the pricing might be a little different. There's one, I can't forget, I don't remember the color, but one was probably about $15. Another one was $16. So it kind of depends, but they are all still under $20. But that is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank AISI Beauty once again for reaching out to me, sending me this ponytail to review for them, because I do like it. Y'all know I haven't really, you know, been the type to get into ponytails, and I said that in another video a while back. But you know, if I can slick my hair the way I need to slick it down, then I could definitely wear a ponytail. But I forgot to show you guys before I close out the video. I forgot to show you guys how the back looks. So this is how it looks in the front. The way I put the ponytail in, once I got it on, you know, the little tracks, you can see the tracks. Y'all can't really see it in the video, but I kind of like push some hair to the side. But this is how it's looking. You guys might see my drawstring because I didn't tie it around. So this is how the side looks. Here's the back. And then here's this side. So I'm not sure what the length is or anything, but I mean, it's cute regardless. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. And y'all know my OG subscribers, I don't forget about y'all. So I do appreciate y'all for still staying here with me, rocking with me. Y'all are the real MVPs. I appreciate each and every one of you, new subscriber, old, returning, which would be old, but y'all get what I'm saying. But anywho, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video.